Hey guys, welcome to hashtag straight poop. We're making guacamole today. I got one already in the Pyrex, and if you don't know how to do it, it's pretty simple, okay? You just take this guacamole. Oh, this one's easy. Okay, really ripe. So, usually it's not that easy. Okay. Well, super ripe. All right, well, I'm going to scrape that out. Wow, that's the easiest avocado I've ever seen. Okay. Want to just squeeze it all out? Sure, thank you. Now, got that. And I'm going to smash this. Now, 30 years ago, I had El Típico Mexican restaurant come on our show, Culinary Adventures. And he taught us that just a minimal amount of things you need in guacamole. You need ripe avocado, okay? And you don't pulverize the hell out of it. You kind of want to have texture to it because you're going to have texture with the tomatoes, you know? So, and I put hot sauce in mine, okay? You could put, you know, whatever you want. Green chilies, any of that stuff if you want. But I find myself really digging this stuff. I mean, I really dig it. So that's what I'm gonna use. And if you don't want to, that's totally up to you. As hot as you want it. I mean, I know people that put, you know, crushed jalapenos. Now, this is my minced onion mixture, because even with my machines, I can't get it like that. And I really like that stuff. Same with that toasted ginger they got going now. So, anyway, mixing that in, the onion. And I got some black pepper, a few grinds, and just a pinch of salt. It brings everything together. That's not much, but if you're on restricted salt diet, I understand. But I was, but I lost 250 pounds, so, but I don't overladen anything with salt. Now, the hot sauce. This is my favorite, and I've told you that before. It's sweet, it's tangy. Very nice. I would say that's about a tablespoon. Yeah. I know people that put salsa in their guacamole. And that ain't a bad idea, because then you don't have to dice the tomatoes, the onions, and there's peppers in there. Okay, now in go plum tomatoes. That I just, you know, what do you want to call it? Chopped. And everything goes in there. The juice, even the leftover guacamole piece. Okay, this gets mixed. And I don't want to pulverize the fruit, you know what I mean? And they say anything that comes with seeds is a fruit. So, I don't know, is avocado a fruit? Because it comes with a seed or a pit? Yeah, so, but I know tomatoes are. Okay. I'm not putting cilantro in here, okay? Because I don't like the taste of cilantro in my guacamole. I like cilantro in other things, but not in this. So, that's the reason why I'm not. Otherwise, you know, if you like cilantro, by all means use it. I just, these recipes, man, are not fixed in stone. I'm a chef, but I'm a cook. So if a recipe calls for a red onion and the store don't have a red onion, well, I'm not ditching the recipe, okay? I'm ditching the red onion and I'm using yellow onion or white onion, or I'll use a French onion, a green scallion, I don't care. I'm a cook. I'm a chef, but I'm a cook. And I know chefs, man, who I booked on culinary adventures years ago. You know, they'd send in their recipes and be very, very particular. And I was always like emailing back and say, hey, it's subject to this. You know, since I'm giving you the food, even though I have food sponsors, you're not going to be that particular. Anyway, yeah, I could be a hard ass. Chips. These are flaxseed chips I really like. Yeah, nice and quick guacamole. Took less than 6 minutes. And you could do this for game day, March Madness, Super Bowl, World Series parties. You know what I'm saying? There's no ending to this. Throw it in a burrito, top your taco. We've done tacos here too. Grab your free cookbook. 125 barbecue cannabis recipes, 230 pages total. I published it in it was published for me in 2018. So yeah, grab it. You've seen the graphics, go to comments, go to the top, hit the link. It's gonna be there in 18 seconds. So my dogs say thank you for joining us. I say thank you too here at #StraightPoop. We'll see you next time with something delicious to cook. And like we say here, if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.